Alone, I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found.
Welcome, queens and king. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Welcome. Thank you guys for subscribing to me. For those of you that are new, my name is Priscilla. In this channel, I'm gonna focus on fashion, nursing, beauty, family, and every other thing in between. So if these are your interests, keep watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification button so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video, so you cannot miss out. What are you waiting for? Hit the button so we can get started. Today's a new video. I'm standing in my bathroom, and as everyone been requesting skincare video, I just decided to do this video. So for all of you that requested, this is the video for you. Never used to do skincare. I was just moisturized, and that was all I did. But then my daughter got me into doing skincare so I can take care of my skin. I don't suffer from acne or anything, but I got very dry and sensitive skin, and so I just did this simple routine because the first thing I do is to cleanse my face. I'm using this cleansing gel product from Kmart. I got it, it's the Priscilla sensitive skin. As I said, I got sensitive skin, so I always use something good. It got rose water inside and lavender, and it's really good. Rose water and lavender is really good for the skin. You just give that hydration. It just hydrates your skin more. So I was just wet my face, apply a little bit to my finger, to my hands, a little bit, rub it in my hand to keep it warm, and I just rub it on my face.
How to get to know someone like you, someone like you.
Onto my T-zone area.
We can be true, we can be true. I want you to see what I see in us. Something so real, something so real. I want you to see that this is a love that we both feel, that we both feel.
And then I can let it still for 1 minute onto my face, and then I just going to rinse it up. So I already washed it out, and I just gonna dry my face, but you just make sure you be gentle with your face. So just down. Just gentle. Don't rub your face. It's just gonna irritate your face if you rub it up and be so rush and harsh on it. Imagine your skin is so sensitive to look after it. So it's just a gentle dam. Next, I do my facial scrub, and I'm gonna be using this product from Pure Active Garnier Skin Active Pure Active Clay. It's like 3-in-1. It got the wash, because I already done my wash, so I'm not gonna use it as a wash, and it got the scrub, so I'm gonna use it as a scrub today. It's purifying clay. It got eucalyptus inside, so it's really good. It's enriched with eucalyptus and salicylic acid, and highly effective, and got an antibacterial active, and it intensify and purify the skin and remove oil, dirt, and impurity from your skin. So I just wash my face, wash the scrub oil, and I'm just gonna pat dry my face. So the scrub, I'm gonna apply some onto my hands and just rub it into my face. Ooh. It got like, it's meant to exfoliate your skin because of the eucalyptus. It's peppermint.
I want you to show me how to get to know someone like you, someone like you. I want you to know me.
Cleansing brush I got from Lacura Essential. You can use any cleansing brush. It just helps to exfoliate. I'm gonna be using my cleansing brush. It just helps to exfoliate the skin. So I'm just gonna put it on a gentle setting and just go.
That we both feel, that we both feel. And how will we ever know if the love will ever grow without trying, without trying? And how will we ever see if we are meant to be? It's terrifying, it's terrifying.
After the scrub, I'm gonna use this toner that I got from, it's a glowing all natural plus vegan toner. Is leave your skin really beautiful. It got rose water as well. I got it from TK Mass in Australia. So
Me, 'cause I know then you'll see we can be true. We can be true. I want you to see what I see in us. Something so real.
I got this serum. Is the vitamin, because it's a vitamin lover VV from TK Mass as well. Almost finished. I got purified water in it. It's very nice.
You to show me how to get to know someone like you, someone like you. I want you to know me, 'cause I know then you'll see we can be true, we can be true.
Use the daytime moisturizer. I got it from Kema. It protects and rejuvenates your skin. So it got essential oil in it. It got kiwi seed extract, grape seed oil, and rosemary oil in it. And so I'm just gonna use plasma and just moisturize my face. I'll do my nighttime routine in another video.
Someone like you, I want you to know me, 'cause I know then you'll see we can be true, we can be true. I want you to see.
Next, I got a sunscreen. Yes, black people wear sunscreen. Sunscreen is really important. It protects you from the sun, so it's very good to put on sunscreen daily. It will just help to protect your skin from the radiation and keep it glowing. So I'm just gonna apply this. Take a little bit. It's a lightweight one. It just stays.
You to show me how to get to know someone like you, someone like you. I want you to know me, 'cause I know then you'll see we can be true. We can be true. I want you to see what I see in us. Something so real, something so real. I want you to see that this is a love that we both feel, that we both feel. And how will we ever know?
That's it. That's done, and that's all for my skincare routine. And look at my face, it looks so good. It's glowing. So thanks for watching this video. I will do my nighttime skincare routine soon, and if you enjoy more content, just let me know. I'll review some other products, skincare product, and see. And It was easy and simple, so anyone can follow this. So you see how my skin. Okay, thank you guys, and see you later. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment and share. Maybe it might help someone. Bye.
Finding life along the way.